Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 420D M Sport 2-door coupe, presented in the mineral grey. As you can see, also comes with a full your next car M Performance body styling kit in the carbon effect. We've also added the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels that we've had professionally refurbished in gloss black. At the front of the car you'll see it comes with the Angel and Xenon headlamps, and just how well that carbon effect and performance body styling kit works with the car. Down the side we've also got the carbon effect side bars and the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Another feature that works really well with the exterior colour is the stunning coral red Dakota leather. As you can see there, that's all in great condition and does also come with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. Inside the car we have got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we should of course show you more of the interior features shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find a very comfortable and very spacious Isofix 2x2 arrangement with a central folding armrest and darkened M Sport headlining. Round towards the back of the car now, we'll show you off once again not only these very nice carbon effect sidebars, those wonderful 19-inch alloys, really clean tidy example of a 4 Series 2-door coupe. And to finish that look off, we've got a rear carbon effect spoiler and the matching diffuser, which again works really well with that wonderful mineral grey. Opening up the boot, there you can see that's a big boot space, one of the biggest in the class. Also does come with split folding seats to of course give you that bit more space if it's required. Round at the driver's side, once again everything's lovely, clean and tidy, and we'll shortly go through, take a seat inside the car and just run yourselves through a few of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with the BMW professional wide navigation and media screen that we do have equipped with the vehicle. Currently on screen is the DAB list. There is also a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including AUX, USB and Bluetooth audio, and of course there is Bluetooth telephone. Having that bigger screen is a real benefit, especially when using items like the sat nav. The BMW system is a breeze to use and you'll find it really easy to pick up and get used to. Real-time traffic updates to of course ensure you're on the fastest route possible. In terms of the vehicle service history, we'll go through and show you that in just 1 second. We've got dual climate controls as well as the switches for our heated seats. You can see for yourself it's covered just over 45,000 miles. Does of course have the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of the next service, it's not due one for 19,000 miles. And up at service history, there you can see it's got 2 recorded services from BMW. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. We do of course hope you found this useful, and from all of us here at Your Next Car, we do of course hopefully see yourselves very soon. If you want some more information on this car, including all of the prices and funding options, I'll leave some links for you in the description. Take yourself over to the website. From there you can of course view all of those, including setting your own finance options up on our HP and PCP calculator. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.